done physical therapy in a pool at a gym until the pandemic. It helps her a lot, but after COVID tapered off, we chose to get a 15-foot above-ground pool and outfit that for her access needs and to get the longest seasonal use with an efficient filter and heater. We had the installers from the dealer set up the pool and the filter, and I built a deck with a ladder that I felt would be truly safe for a person with vision and ambulation limitations. You can see how the height of the steps, the stair width, the tread depth, and the rise angle impact the ease to ascend it, and the heavy, well-anchored stainless railings add a confident steadiness that handicapped seniors may need.
The hand loops next to you. The railings.
Commercially sold resin stairs for above-ground pools with 4-foot deep water had reviews that were complaining of bobbing and floating, short lifespans, and wobbly handrails. When I built solved these problems at a cost comparable to the economy resin products sold on Amazon. This included both the stairs and the stainless steel handrails. The stairs are simply made from Trex composite deck boards, stainless bolts, nuts, and washers, and some stainless deck screws. I'm showing the price that I paid for the Trex boards, but where you shop and when will determine your cost. The fastener kits at Harbor Freight had adequate nuts and bolts, and only a small box of deck screws is needed. The composite boards will last many years in the summer sun and the pool chemicals. 3 or 4 of the 8-foot boards is enough to construct this. The stairs are solid and steady with one person that don't float and bob around, and I can lift it out onto the deck by myself for the off-season, though it'd be a lot easier for 2 people. I use the Trex brand for the 5-rib underside, which will make sense when you see the build design and more detail. The deck is built for Carolyn to have safe access on a gradual staircase with a sturdy railing from a patio up to the pool stairs. The rise each ladder step and deck step is actually the same, with deeper treads on the deck. A small bench gives a place for her to sit and change sandals for pool shoes. This sketch shows how I made cuts for the sides of the steps called stiles on a ladder or risers on a stairs. First, I ripped the 6-inch width into 2 3-inch wide stiles. Then I cut dado channels at the rise angle for the tread rise of 7 inches in each step. The dado prevents treads from rolling and assists the chock to prevent wallowing out the bolt holes where those chocks are fastened, making the stiles into risers. Full 6-inch Trex stiles or even sister stiles can be made for increased rigidity under heavier loads, but these 3-inch stiles proved adequate for 200 pounds. Smaller stiles mean less weight lifted at the start and end of seasons. A zoom in on the treads above the water show the 6-inch riser chocks under the ends of the 6-inch stair treads that are set into dado cuts on 3-inch stiles. Small aluminum angle bars are anchored to the deck, and a stainless nut and bolt at each lets the ladder pivot so that you can clean underneath the mat and the footings. From this view above, you can also see the fasteners that are screwed through the top of the tread down into the chocks below. The pitch angle is made so each progressive tread is visible while you're looking downward. The entire stairs extending from the deck into the pool is only a little bit further than the overhanging railings. Okay, so the building inspector approved all my DIY for the 240 and the 120 electrical for my filter pump, my inverter mini split pool heater, and the heat circulator pump. I plumbed all those through the pool water with PVC, and I'm still green enough to need a script for all this stuff so I remember it all. My next pool project will be coming up, but if you comments showing interest, I'll give better details on the stairs and rails, the electrical work or the heater install. All this DIY work saves a lot of money, bad hiring out, but you need the details covered to keep everything and everyone safe. So my next pool project is a solar cover reel that is a one-person, easy to roll up and disperse, as well as easy modular seasonal setup and storage. So I'll be making a video of that solar reel cover as I build it, so you can see every step. So if you like this, hit the like button, comment if you want more info, subscribe to see my responses and to see videos of my other projects. And remember, it's not junk, it's piles of ideas waiting to happen.